Why do you find out that different people telling you different timing of popping up, timing of standing, what you should do before you pop up? Okay, the reason is because the pop-up timings and the stance is very different for beginner, intermediate, and also different type of waves. So I hope that this can give you a good overview. When you are a beginner, you are not very used to surfing yet, a lot of instructors will bring you to a very small slope. Okay, the foam actually have a slope, very small slope, about 10 degree, the slope. So basically this slope will just push you forward, and it will maintain like this or flatter, okay, along the way. The instructor will tell you, take your time, push the board, pop up a little bit, wait until the board steady and then gliding, then slowly establish your stand. Of course, because why? Because your body response to the stand is not that smooth yet, okay, for sure. But when you move on to a long board wave, let's say a more mellow wave. A more mellow wave have a steeper wave face slope, let's say about 20 degree. In this situation, if you press the board, press too long, it will slide down and then flatten. So you don't want it to be flattened. So once you go up to a certain, when you feel that the board is slanting, that is the time you stand and then move around to shift your weight, okay, in order to control the board to stay on the slope, and then going down, taking a breath. So the timing is more crucial in this stage. Okay. When you go to a short board or a long board on a steeper wave, let's say about 25-30 degree, you actually can't hold the board too long. Especially, you can hold it when it's mellow. See, when it's mellow and slowly when it goes steeper. Once it goes steeper, you gotta stand before the steep established, and then step down or put your weight in front. Use the gravitations to go down and turn, or else then it will be white foam. Then you go back to this stage. Then you go to a steep wave. A steep wave, let's say more than 35 degree to 40 degree. No, you can't do that. You can't do that pop up anymore. You straight away stand before it drops. Once you stand, your weight is actually at the back of the board. Okay, then sometimes you can press down, then you got to run away, or else it will be a dumping wave. So different timing on a different pop-up. This is very important, okay, because of the degree of the slope. At the end of the day, your body will start to feel, do adjustment on different wave. That one is for sure. That is also ask your instructor, why is it different? Always ask your instructor, ask your friend, always ask why that you are telling a different stories from my last instructor. As along the way, when you ask more about this kind of situation, okay, your brain will register, your body will register, your response will register as well. So then you can be adjusted accordingly. Not like every wave come you do the same thing. No. There's no such. Thank you very much.